Welcome to this in-depth and honest review of Darwinex, a cutting-edge broker that allows you to copy trades directly from experienced, professional traders. Darwinex isn't just any broker. It offers a unique platform for both traders and investors. For those who don't know, Darwinex allows traders to list their strategies as investable assets, called Darwins, and lets investors copy these strategies easily. Let's start by talking about the platform's advantages. First off, Darwinex's main feature, its Darwin Asset System, allows you to follow and replicate the trading strategies of successful traders. This helps you diversify your investments and automate your trading. The broker is highly regulated and offers a variety of asset classes, including forex, stocks, indices, and commodities. Another huge plus is the transparency. The Darwin's performance data is fully available, allowing investors to make informed decisions based on historical performance. Now, about the costs involved. Darwinex operates on a commission-based structure, which means you don't pay spreads like on other platforms. The commission is competitive, with fees around 1.2 pips per trade for forex and varying slightly for other assets. You also pay performance fees to the traders whose strategies you copy, but this only applies when they profit, so you only pay when you win. However, there are some disadvantages to consider. The platform can be complex for beginners, especially those who aren't familiar with copy trading or professional-grade trading tools. Additionally, while Darwinex offers an incredible selection of Darwins to invest in, navigating through all the options to find the best traders can be overwhelming. Now, let's talk about something crucial: service overview. Darwinex offers full integration with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both of which are popular platforms among advanced traders. In addition, you can access performance metrics, risk-adjusted returns, and even detailed analytics to guide your investments. Their customer service is reliable, and the educational materials provided can be very helpful for those who want to learn more about copy trading and investing. Are you tired of constantly analyzing market trends and dealing with the emotional roller coaster of trading? PrimeXPD offers a seamless solution to simplify your trading. With its advanced platform, you can copy successful traders, automating your trading strategy while keeping it stress-free. Just register, make a deposit, and start trading like a pro today. Back to Darwinex. One of the key advantages is that traders on the platform are financially incentivized to perform well, because their earnings depend on their Darwin's performance. This aligns the interests of both the investor and the trader. The broker also has a risk management algorithm that reduces exposure to overly volatile strategies, ensuring you are less likely to experience massive losses. Darwinex also provides a wealth of analytical tools, including risk metrics and historical performance data, which help investors select the right traders to follow. These insights are invaluable, especially if you are serious about long-term profitability and risk management. Finally, if you're wondering whether Darwinex is worth it, yes, for serious traders and investors, it's an outstanding platform that offers transparency, performance tracking, and professional-level tools. While it's not the easiest platform for beginners, its wealth of features makes it stand out among other brokers. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, start copying the trades of professional traders and replicate their success. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more insights on boosting your trading success.